In today's episode, we are doing modeling. No, I'm just joking. In tonight's episode, hello guys, good morning. It's quite late here. The reason why we're here because I'm just going to show you. So I will be packing this stuff for my girlfriends. I just sent her a message now. It's her birthday today, so it's past midnight. I'm just gonna wrap this before I go to bed. After my Pilates, the body for yoga. I am just joking. Anyway, so these are my gift to her. I'm showing this to you all because we're gonna personalize this gift. So I'm gonna put her name with the sticker I bought on Amazon. So wait, hold on. I think we need more lights here. The more lights, the better. Where are my other lights? We have these small letters and we need a scissor and a tweezer so that we can do it concise. And also, remember this suction for my phone back to back. This little baby needs some rest in today's episode. I'm just gonna put her aside just for future reference and future use because I got a new one from Amazon. This one. The reason why I like this, you see that it opens on the side. You can hook it in your handbag, and plus it's not double-sided because see, my issue with this one, sometimes if I will just leave it on the back of my phone, anything that is right next to it will just come out of my handbag. So it's a hit and miss for this one, but this is very strong hold. This one is MagSafe. You can suck it and you can put it in any metal. So let's give this a try. This one is more thicker and it eats a lot of space, but we'll give it a go. So if you're interested, I would like you to check my Amazon haul if you wanna purchase these beautiful babies. The link is on the description page. We're going to do face tracking in today's episode. So I'm gonna use this and keep this. So all my beauty secret as well, also my skincare is on my Amazon storefront. And only if you want to be gorgeous like me, you know what to do and you know where to find me. And by the way, this is our new little baby. So I dress up my Valparaiso Hermès. You see that? Perfection, correct? You know what? I don't really like the face tracking, to be honest with you. This is one of many collections I have from Hermès. I started collecting vintage, as I've said last time. So this is one of them. Look at that little cat and our eclectic 1984 ring watch. So this is my new way of accessorizing my handbag. Since I love bag charms, some of my handbags, most of them, has a ring watch. You will always have a time with you. Trust me, you will never be late. I really like this cute little handy canvas handbag. It's canvas, but it's still wearable, usable, and durable. Look at that. It's cute, right? I should say yes. That's it for that, and let's keep moving. This one, oh, I can still open this. We will personalize everything that we will be giving her. Let me just prepare the unexpected. I'll just sit down. Camera should be facing me, right? Should be here, my love. There we go. Gorgeous. Yep, that's it. All right. Hi. Oh my God, this is so cute. You know that. Let's manifest. Are we gonna manifest this or just so? This one. So we're gonna put her name. We'll do gold for this one. Yes, gold. So my friends, 2 more letters to go, and I will be finishing this baby, and then we're going to get some rest because tomorrow's gonna be a long day for me. Tomorrow is volunteer day, and I'll double check the invites because it's gonna be hi. It's the other way around. I'm sorry. It's okay. So, by the way, with my runny nose, I have to see my specialist on May. Let me check. Next day off of mine. So that will be May 6th. Yep. Yeah, I'm going to see my, how do you call that? ENT. This is going to be the last letter for tonight. It's E. So I put my girlfriend's name here, Trixie. We're gonna finalize this. I wish and hopefully this runny nose will stop anytime soon, because I don't know what's happening inside my system. As you get older, it's not the same anymore, right? Come on. Why? Come on, this is gonna be the last. We have to do this. We can do this. There we go. Oh my god, it's so cute. But not all letters are even, but it still look even to me. So I think that will pass because I put a lot of effort and mastery. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I was so confident that I thought I have everything I need here. I was wrong again. It's a Merry Christmas card. Like 2 boxes. We still have time tomorrow. I will do the card tomorrow. But for tonight, I'm gonna just wrap them here. I'll just remove this. Okay, this will be fine. Oops. Oops. That's good. This is not enough. No, we have to make this possible. Okay. Oopsie. This is very hard talent. Alright, we can do this. The art. See? We have to be artistic. The more, the merrier. That's it. And voila. See? The power of beauty. This is upcycling, recycling. Recycle box. Why not? And it fits perfectly. Oops, there we go. Gorgeous. Oops, I don't think it will fit perfectly. I don't think so. We're gonna use a bigger bag. Let's remove these on top of every cover. Okay, we click very well. No problem at all. Good job. So if you want to personalize your stuff, your handbags, anything, just check my Amazon storefront. These little stickers, they are very luxurious. They're very well made sticker. If you want to engrave your name, you want to personalize your stuff with you, this is your way to go. Because on some of my handbags, depends on the handbags, depends on the leather and the surface, it can stick in there forever. Because one of my smooth leather handbag kept falling off. I mean, the sticker was not properly, it was properly stick, but with the handbag, maybe because of the leather, some of them lifted. So it's only just MD, Michelle Binas. You know me, I have to put my name there just in case, so people won't take it. But they will definitely take it. Let's just cover this with this one just to protect. I'll just do this, cover that, and there we go. Yes, everything is upcycling. This is from the boxes in our storage room. So I do have a little storage room where I can put all my boxes from the stuff I order online. Ouch. So I just upcycle these paper bags. Look at that, perfectly cute. We have another one here. We have a candle. So I don't know, where will I put for this one? Where? No, we're still gonna use the gold because the gold is golding. I'll just put but for this one, we'll just do initials. Oh no, if I'm gonna do the initials, there's no M here anymore. I have used all the initials for that one. I've used. That's fine. How about this one? Oh, we still have more here. That's fine. Michelle, just use it. Or I'll just use all her name again. So I could use, right? Yeah, just use all her name. So she can't use the M. Hello, my friends, haters, subscribers, and non-subscribers, watchers, stalkers. I'm almost finished. Actually, it's finished already. Look at that. Can you see? Can you see the name? Eclectic 1984 ring watch. Don't forget to get yours. So we will be covering this. There we go. We have to be careful because this is an almighty glass, or glass almighty. It should be like this. Oh my god, Michelle, you are a very good packer. I'm a very good, I pack very well. I wrap things very well. I'm a good packer. So we need 4. Hopefully 4 is enough. Let's make it 5. Okay. And tonight, I couldn't even edit because I thought things went well on my last edit, with my last editing. And then I realized after I uploaded today on the YouTube channel, believe it or not, the last part, 5 minutes, there's no sounds, but there's music. I don't know where my voice go. What a pain in the ass, because I have to do it again. So from my editing platform, I have to wait a day again, 24 hours, and then after that, upload again to YouTube. That's another, 9 hours? Seriously, it's giving. All finished. We're gonna pack them to a bigger bag. So we're gonna transfer this. That one, wow. I'm gonna use some of the bubble wrap, and let's call it a night, guys. This is where this little bubble wraps comes in handy. Okay, I have to change my voice. Sometimes, like, talk slowly and feminine vibe. You know what I mean? So we're gonna use these little girls, little puffy things, so that we can protect all of them, because these items are all breakable. They are fragile, like me. And I'll just do it like that for now. We will fix this tomorrow onward, because tomorrow night is the dinner. So happy birthday, sis, whoever you are, whoever my sis is. So figure it out, guys. And then pack this little patootie for the next round. Let's keep them together, clean this house, because Lady Michelle wants a clean house, clean and beautiful perspective house. So that's it for tonight, everyone. I will catch you tomorrow, and I'm gonna show you what I will be wearing. Okay, guys, that's all. I hope you've learned something in today's episode, okay? I hope you do. Aside from seeing my sexiness. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna share to you who and what I've been wearing. So this is from Anko, Kmart. This is from Kmart, and this is from Glassons. My Hermès Valparaiso in the smallest size. I like the elongated east-west handbag. And that's it for tonight, guys. Good night from your dearest, gorgeous Michelle Binas. Hello, besties. Good afternoon to all of you. I'm home from our volunteer. And in today's episode, what did I get from Salvo? By the way, before we do that, the weather is really, really bad. It's warm outside, and the humidity, it's just warm. I'm not loving it, you know? Anyway, this is our outfit for today, by the way, because we only wear black at our volunteer. I'm gonna show you how cute my socks is. See that? Gorgeous, right? Anyway, back to the program. Umbrella, which is useless in today's episode. Our gorgeous little patootie handbag. So she's out for today. Cat and the ring watch charm I used. It really packed a punch. Oh, and by the way, I got the birthday cards. It's my bestie's birthday tonight. So I only have an hour to get ready because I have to be quick. I'm going to take the public transport as always because we are eligible. It's free. I think it's still up until May of this month. Oh my God, the AC. Oh, thank you. Oh my God, outside, I feel like I'm going to burn, you know? Where is my receipt? So I got this belt for $9 or $11 from Salvation Army. So this is a reversible. Where is it? Yeah, because I have staff discount over there. This is a reversible belt. I will cut this off tonight because this is quite long. And look at the buckle. Like, I've seen one on eBay. It was a Gucci vintage, but I don't know what had happened. The seller just ended no brand, but the leather and the quality it's very similar. The head of it, but this is more of a, like, look at this, reversible. And I like the plain buckle in silver, reverse, and the leather. Like, seriously, I'm gonna cut this off tonight, okay? Because for now, I'm pressed with time. I have to beautify myself. I will be right back, gorgeous. I will see you in a bit, okay? Ta-da! Hello, gorgeous. I'm back. Nothing have changed. So this is my look for tonight. I want to keep it corporate because I am who I am. This is our love letter. Oh, by the way, our handbag for tonight, I'm just gonna keep it very light. I'm not gonna bring the camera with me tonight because you don't deserve it. I just wanna relax tonight, enjoy the night. The reason why also I have this headband to cover my ears, remember? One of my ear piercing got infected, so let's keep it that way. I know. So we're rocking the 70s vibe. This is my handbag. This is from Cartier. I got this from eBay. Hello, eBay Japan. So this is one of our oldest vintage collection. So I think I'm going to start collecting vintage from now onwards. You know what I mean, guys? Our gift and for the coat, we are wearing our Stand Studio. This is from the Real, as usual. I know it's gonna be warm outside, but I just want to cover myself with this baby because why not? This is who we are. And the ring watch for tonight, green. We are loving it. Oh, our dress is from ASOS, from Salvation Army. Shoes from Prada. I hope you can see that. But anyway, it doesn't matter. We are just going to the birthday party and just relax and chill, okay? This is the vibe in tonight. What year is this? 70s, 60s, 50s? Let me know on the comment below. I have to keep going. Bye!